Hello everybody, I'm back. So, as you can see behind me, I have 2 more lucky bags left. So, I made the 2 videos before. The first one was when I went shopping for all of the lucky bags in Shibuya 109. And then I did the opening in the same one with Etude House and Atmos. You can check out the videos, I will link them down below or here somewhere. And then after that I also did the opening of another Fukubukuro, which was the Spiral Girl Fukubukuro, which is also somewhere here, linked somewhere here. Actually, I'm wearing the sweater that I got from one of those Fukubukuro because this is all the same day, so I didn't want to have like the same sweater for each video, and I obviously can't open like 5 lucky bags all in one video. It would be way too long. So I decided to split it up into 4 videos, and this is from the last Fukubukuro, which I absolutely loved. So if you want to check out what I got, like what else I got, the video is here somewhere. So yeah, now today I will open this lucky bag. It's called We Sexy. Last year I saw a YouTube video by someone opening this bag, and I thought that it looked like everything looked like really good, and I thought I should get it. I see this shop all the time, but I never bought anything from this shop. But I always look inside and see what they have, but I never really buy anything here. So this is the first, I think, a good a good first try to check out what this shop has to offer. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do today. Okay, let's open it. Oh, okay. I will open it. Again, I will not look. I don't know how many pieces this has, but this was 10,000 yen as well. Ooh! Is this a dress? So in the last Fukubukuro I got a dress, like with a zip, and it didn't fit me. So I hope this will fit me. Oh! Oh my god, okay. This is just so cute. I can't take it. The color is amazing. It's like this kind of, how do you call this kind of blue? Sky blue? I'm not sure. But I hope it's stretchy. Oh, it's not very stretchy. Oh, it has a zip. Oh my god, I'm screwed. It's never gonna fit me. Nope. Nope, it's not gonna fit me. I know it now. It's not gonna fit me. I'm gonna try it, but I don't have my hopes high. But this is super cute. Oh my god. If it doesn't fit me, I want to give it away to someone. And this dress was 6,900 yen. So yeah, quite pricey, but really nice. I think if it fits, it would be so worth the price. I'm thinking about if it doesn't fit me, I'm gonna lose weight just to fit into this dress. So, I was trying on this dress, and from the front it looks very nice. Like, oh my god, you could even wear it like off shoulder like that, and it looks even cuter. Oh my god, I'm dying. My heart really hurts that unfortunately this dress doesn't fit me. So like, I could put it on like that, it fits me like that, but I can't close the zipper at the back, so but yeah, doesn't fit me. Japanese sizes. Anyway, yeah, I'm sad about this, but I already expected it. Next one. Oh, it's a big one. Is this a bag? What is it? Oh, it's a coat! It does have like a fluffy thing, but the coat is super cute. Oh wow. But it might be too thin though. I don't know if it's thick enough to wear in this weather. Maybe if it's like sunny like this right now, I could wear this coat. And it doesn't have any buttons or anything, but it's really cute. The coat is 14,990, so quite expensive. Oh, I can take off this. Yes, I will try it on with this later, but I will not wear it with the fur, for sure not. I hate fur, so I'm glad I can take it off. Next one. Wait, that's it? Is this a joke? Okay, wait. I am a little bit shocked right now. So, okay. So this is a... this is a sweater dress. This was also guaranteed. Okay. So this was also a guaranteed item. I almost forgot about it. Oh my god, what did I do? So it's a very simple one. Maybe I can wear it to work. It's quite long, so it's actually pretty cute. But how much was this? 6,990. So yeah, it's very nice. I'm sure this will fit me at least. Okay, so this is the dress that I got, the wool dress. And so first of all, here is the neck. It's very soft, so I don't feel like I'm choking. As I said before, I don't really like high neck or turtlenecks and stuff like that, but this seems to be very comfy and soft, so this is not a problem. The material itself is a little bit rougher, so it's not as soft as the other ones, but it's not itchy or anything, so it feels very nice. So this is how it looks like from top to bottom. As you can see, it's like below the knees, but on the side it has like a stretch, and I really like the color. Yeah, I like this one. Yes, I love this sweater dress, and I've wanted to have one, but I never really bought one because I'm like, I'd rather buy other stuff. So I never really bought one because I'm like, yeah, another day. So now I have it. Yay, Fukubukuro, yay! So this is the jacket. First of all, up here is the sleeve, which I will not use probably. It does look cute though, but it will just annoy me because I can't wear fluffy things. I will check later how it looks like without it. It doesn't have any buttons, like buttons, so it's that's a little bit of a downside. But I think as soon as the weather starts getting a little bit warmer, I could wear it like this. And I mean, you'd kind of tie it up though. So you tie it up like this. It's like a bathrobe basically. Oh, now, okay. Now I see. Now it makes sense that there is nothing to... Actually, my friend has a similar coat, and it's like, I love how it feels. It's very like it feels very nice. It's not too tight. This is how it looks like from head to toe. The length is the same as the sweater dress. Here you can see it's super cute. I can't believe this. The kind of stuff that girls here love in Japan, and I love it too. I love the color, I love the texture. It's kind of thin, so maybe not for European winter, but maybe on some sunny afternoons in Tokyo you can definitely wear this jacket with like a thicker sweater like this one. So if you wear something thick inside and like a thick scarf and everything, I think it should be okay. And let me try it without the here, this one. It's definitely so much better now. Like, this is what I like. It kind of looks more like business right now as well. So it just looks more, I don't know, mature or simple. And I think the fur kind of gives it like a fluffy feeling, like a warm feeling, but I just don't do fluffy things. Like, people who know me know this. They would never buy me any fluffy clothing because I just can't wear it. Even if I want to wear it, I couldn't wear it because I'm allergic to it. So this is really nice. I'm gonna wear this. It's not thick, but I'm gonna wear it. Maybe like February, March. March would be a nice month to wear it. And it's pastel, like, I mean not pastel, but it's like beige, so it would fit the Sakura theme because I only have like black jackets. So I think this one fits more with Sakura. Okay, one more thing. I'm a little bit surprised that it's only 4 pieces. I don't know why. So this is a top blouse thing. So I wear this underneath like this, but it looks super tiny, guys. I'm so scared that I'm gonna rip it. And it's white. I'm not sure about this. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually surprised about this. I didn't imagine it would actually, first of all, I didn't imagine the top would fit me, but it kind of fit me. I don't know how. And it wasn't even so difficult. I didn't have to squeeze myself in. I didn't even have to open the buttons of this top here. So at the back it has like some buttons and it actually looks super cute. I'm very surprised. It's kind of like a crop style, so I like it. I'm definitely gonna wear it, not in winter, but I think this is a nice thing for like spring. I could wear this for like Sakura season, together with my new beret. So yeah, and maybe with this jacket. It's very thin, but I think I could wear this in spring. So this one was good. Yeah, it's empty. That was the lucky bag from Resexy. I remember watching it from the last year and she definitely had more things. So I feel like maybe they didn't put so many things anymore, or maybe they didn't have so much trash left anymore. Or each bag has like the same value, but some of the other bags have like more trashy things. Whereas this has more like the quality things. I don't know. This was the bag and it was very small, very shorter than I thought. I'm a little bit sad, but I still have one more to go, so this was the second to last. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any comments or anything to say, anything to ask, you can leave them down below. I will link all the other Fukubukuro videos here or there somewhere. And yeah, this was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!